Hi everybody, I'm Greg Fishel and welcome to the official daily weather update for this Friday, July 7th. And I got to share a story with you today. As many of you know, I drive Uber and Lyft down here periodically. And usually I stop that around 3:30 in the afternoon to prepare the forecast and get the videos out. And this afternoon, I got a request for a 1-hour ride right at 3:30. And of course, 1-hour rides can be somewhat lucrative in the pay department. And so I figured, well, this guy's going to Georgetown, which is about 45 minutes south of Myrtle. So I'll drop him off and then I'll find a Starbucks and do my forecast there and cut the video there. Well, this guy's a pilot and he was going to fly from Georgetown, the Georgetown airport, all the way to Columbia, where he lives. Well, about halfway down there, he gets a phone call that the plane he was going to fly in has a severe leak of something, and it's unflyable. And so then he says, okay, well, let's turn around, take me back to the Myrtle Beach International Airport, and I'll rent a car and drive to Columbia. Well, of course, on the way back there, he finds out there are no rental cars available anywhere, not just at the airport, but anywhere in this area. And so I end up taking him back to where I actually picked him up from originally. And at the time it took to do all that, now it's 5 o'clock. And so I did a search for public libraries, and there's a little town southwest of Myrtle called Socastee. And so I was able to get on the internet there and take a look at the weather, and I am going to relay to you verbally what I discovered in my time on the internet here at the library. Once I get home tonight, I will post the forecast for tonight, tomorrow, and the 7-day in graphical form, but I wanted to get something out to you in a reasonable amount of time before it got too late. So really, things don't look a whole lot different than they did yesterday. We have thunderstorms around the area right now, and we're going to have more of those tomorrow and Sunday, and Monday may actually be a mostly cloudy day, keeping temperatures in the 80s for the most part. And the thunderstorms are going to be primarily during the afternoon and evening hours, but it's the type of pattern where 1 or 2 showers cannot be ruled out at any time of the day. But I think the vast majority of them will be during the afternoon and evening. And then a frontal system should clear the area by Monday night or during Monday night. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday actually look like they could all be rain-free days. And once we get the sun back, the heat's going to build right back in. And so temperatures could easily be back into the mid, even upper 90s by the middle and end of next week. And probably not another chance of thunderstorms before about Friday, the way it looks right now. So it's not going to rain every second this weekend, but there will be numerous showers and thunderstorms popping up, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. Temperature today at RDU was 96. Tomorrow we're probably looking at low 90s, and then around 90 on Sunday, and then perhaps mid 80s, mid to upper 80s on Monday with all the cloud cover. And then once we get the sun back starting Tuesday, we'll be back close to 90 and then well into the 90s, more than likely Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I hope that at least gives you something to go on for the weekend. And again, I will post something in graphical form as soon as I get back home and can construct those graphics on the good old laptop. Having trouble speaking today. And the bonus weather video, I'm just going to sort of incorporate that into this, in the sense that today it was just a classic sea breeze setup here. And if I had gotten home at the normal time, I was actually going to shoot the sky for you, and now it's too late to do that to show what I wanted to show. But right along the beaches themselves, it was just crystal clear, not a cloud in the sky. And then you headed about 5 miles inland, and all of a sudden you started to see all these cumulus clouds, and some of those clouds grew into thunderstorms. In fact, hearing some rumbling of thunder off to the side here right now. And so again, that's all due to the fact that the land heats up quicker than the water, and once that temperature difference reaches a certain threshold, then you start to set up a circulation where the air is coming in off the ocean. It cools the beaches down. It's still humid as all get out, but it at least cools it down a little bit. And then you have this convergence zone setting up where the sea breeze front interacts with the regular flow, which is coming in from the southwest. and then you get convergence along that line, and you get cumulus clouds forming, and some of those clouds grow into showers and thunderstorms. So it would have been nice had I been able to make a video earlier this afternoon and show you exactly what that looked like in the sky, but time did not permit, so I just have to describe it to you. So that is the daily weather update and the bonus weather video all wrapped into one package for today. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And again, I will provide an update this evening as soon as I get home of the information in graphical form, so you'll have that to refer to. So again, have a great weekend, everybody, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.